Good morning everyone. Today on the 10th of December, we the student of class 2E are going to conduct the assembly on the occasion of Human Rights Day.
Right to equality. We all are equal. No boy, no girl. This is our right to equality.
Studying class 2E. Right against exploitation. No one can be forced to work against his or her own wish. Thank you.
We all are free to share our feeling. Thank you.
Right to freedom of religion. Everyone can practice whatever religion they want.
Liberty, peace, equality, respect. These are our rights because we are humans.
People like Cyrus the Great, Malala Yousafzai, Rosa Parks will be born from time to time